This video I will tell you that how to get verified on Threads app. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first you have to open up your Threads application, and after opening up your Threads application, basically you need to go into your profile, and here you can see that I don't have the blue check mark next to my account. And uh, and we all know that both of the Thread app and Instagram application are synced. So we will open up our basically Instagram application, and we will basically go into the profile, tap on the three dots, and then basically here we have our settings and privacy. And then here basically we will actually tap on our account. So let me just check it. Just type here ver, and then you will see this option, request verification. Okay, so just wait a little bit to open it up, and then basically you have to like complete all of these steps here. And once you get verified on Instagram, you will automatically get the blue check on your Threads app. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.